Piper here. Welcome to Tesla Taxi videos. This video is special because it happens on a snow day. Towards the end, I do have to disengage it. It has trouble coming all the way over to the left turn lane, but that's at the end. Other than that, it did remarkably well during the snow.
Accepted. Okay, let's see if we can find this exit.
Now, I say this about finding this exit because this is areas under construction, and this exit has actually been moved. It's not in the GPS location. It's further down the road. And with the snow and everything obscuring the vision, I was curious as to how it would do.
It's the turn signal. Okay, turn signal. Okay, slow down, Mark. Slow down, slow down. This is going too fast for me on this type of thing.
Really?
So here I use the
Yeah,
thumb
'cause this shit
scroll
gets
wheel
iced.
to
Yeah,
bring down the maximum speed. It was set just above the 55 miles per hour, but on this exit ramp, I wanted it to be a little bit slower, so I think I took it down to
A little bit of
45.
slip. Did you feel it?
yeah, I felt it.
But the car handled it just fine.
Yeah.
Both ways.
Turn right on LaSalle Avenue.
So there's nothing eventful during this section, so I speeded up 4 times just to get us through the video a little bit. You can notice that I did check the scroll wheel to make sure that the top speed was reasonable as we were approaching this. And it was. I think I might have knocked it down 5 miles per hour, but it took the curves and the stop real well, even though there was a little bit of slip at the end.
Icy curves.
Yeah, it did.
The trick is, can you get all the way over a car? Can you? This guy's got to get out of the way. Look at that.
Turn left on Seldondale Drive, then turn right on Doolittle Road.
One more. It's got to get over one more. Didn't do it. I didn't want to get caught at the light or pass, so I had to take over. I'm sorry. And it wants to know why I disengaged. The car wasn't over into the left turn lane far enough, and the light was about to turn. So I just told it why I disengaged it.
Mm-hmm. That's nice. You can give it feedback.
Yeah, I don't know how, effective it is, or, who actually, or well, I doubt it there's any who in this. This is all AI, I'm sure.
So if it isn't clear, I gave the feedback by holding down on the right scroll wheel, and that makes a voice recording that gets saved and sent to I'm not sure where.
Right in here. Next one.
Next one, yeah. That's an amazing camera. That's a good camera on this thing right there.
Yeah, the blind spot camera, yeah.
Mm-hmm. That's nice.
What's really nice is when it goes red on the side if there's something there that you're gonna hit.
Really?
Yeah.
That's decent too. I'm actually right here in this parking lot right here to the left in front of this tree. Yep.
Right here?
Yes, sir.
There you go, sir.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Piper.
You're very welcome. You're very welcome.
Nope, that was the window.
No. It's the window and the door.
Really?
Yeah. And when you close the door, the window goes back up.
Oh my goodness. This is great. I'll be sure to tip you too for driving in this stuff.
That's got a discount, and also my YouTube channel that's got these recordings.
Thank you so much, Piper.
Take it easy.
Sure to tip you, man, and you be safe out here in this weather. All
Doing
right?
my best.
Okay.
We'll go get Samantha next.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Safe.
Head to your pickup at 15 Overgrowth Place.